activity, we are going to explore the different textures of soil. So we were talking about how soil has air, water, organic matter, and rocks in it. So a way to tell the difference between different types of soil are the sizes of rocks in that soil. So to find out what different types of rocks, what different sizes of rocks are in your soil, you can do this very easy experiment. All you need is a glass jar and some water and your soil sample. So we've got a glass jar, a spaghetti jar that you peel the label off will work, and you want to fill it about halfway with water. And then get your soil sample from your backyard or your local park. So you want to add a bunch of this. Okay. Once you've got a bunch of soil in there, doesn't matter too much how much, but the more you put in there, the nicer the layers will be. And put your lid on nice and tight. This is very important. And then shake the jar. And shake it for a whole minute, or 2 minutes if you're extra strong. And then you're gonna let it sit for 24 hours. So right away we can see the sand particles settling out at the bottom. And this is one that I did quite a while ago, so it's been sitting for a while. And you can sort of see the different sizes. So right at the top we've got clay, and then in the middle we've got our silt. And this soil is very, it's what we call a clay soil, so it actually doesn't have very much sand in it. So you're going to be able to see, hopefully, 3 distinct layers in your jar. And then you can tell what your soil is classified as using the soil texture triangle. Another way to determine the soil texture of your soil is to use this handy dandy little flowchart. What you want to do is get a ball of soil about the size of a golf ball, and you want to add drops of water until it's pretty squishy, but you're not like getting water all over the place. The first question is, does the soil remain in a ball when squeezed? So I'm going to squeeze it. Yeah, it's still stuck together. So now we're going to place the ball of soil between the thumb and my forefinger and gently push the soil upwards towards the thumb, squeezing it upwards into a ribbon. And it's not really, it's sort of breaking, it's not really forming a ribbon. So if it breaks, no, follow the arrows to no, and this is called a sandy loam. So that is the soil texture of this soil, is a sandy loam, which you'll also see on your soil texture triangle if you do